Welcome again to our 2008 Prevost Shakedown Trip Series. That's a mouthful. We left you last week at a gorgeous Motorcoach Resort of Port St. Lucie West. I can't even think now. That caught me off guard. I was blinded by the Heart in the Park statue, which is the tallest stainless steel heart in the world. This is super nice having your own little backyard behind your site. Super nice. Prevost hosted a great day. They brought the shell of a Prevost H Series coach. And then we got to listen to an incredible band.
I'll take a back time. I'll take you just the way you are.
We're making burgers. We ended our stay there with a cookout with our great friends. This week, we're staying at a port site at the Great Outdoors in Titusville, Florida. One thing we did was watch the SpaceX launch. I was expecting more. Then see why this little guy is so tired. He's been a little busy. It's cold. We are going to leave early, though. Somebody got my chair. What you doing? You gonna get down? Thank you. I was kind of surprised when Mark told me that out of all the places we've been, he wouldn't mind buying a lot here at the Motorcoach RV Resort in Port St. Lucie West. Shocker. But too bad, it's time to go. Axel. Hi there. Hi, baby. What's she doing? What are you looking at? Oh, Mark's washing the windshield. Is that what that is? If we still had diesel, he would be going crazy right now. As soon as the bus stopped anytime, he wanted to go outside. This one could care less. So we're giving him great praise for just laying there. Good boy. Yay, good boy. Yes, he is. I'm going to take his brace off, his ear brace today. He's had it on a week. And what we'll do is take it off and see how his ears are doing. If his ears stand, then we're done. We don't have to put another brace on. But if his ears fall, then we'll have to get another brace and put it on and leave it on for about a week. So that's how it works. Sometimes it doesn't take but a few weeks for it to happen, and other times it takes quite a while. There you have it. Ain't that right? You sweet boy. Mike's already done. We're back from lunch, and I've already got Axel out of his house, and this is the blanket that we put in there with him. So let's check it out. I'll show you what a puppy can do if you don't know. Hey, Axel. Alright, there we go. Doesn't look too bad, sorta. So you're set up there. Let's look. Let's see what we got. He's had this in his cage. Mark doesn't like calling it a cage. In his crate, in his house. Oh, I don't know, since we've been on this trip. And it started out, you know, just an old blanket that I had. And now we got this. Hello. There's not much left. No, I'm not upset because I really rather him tear this up than anything else. It's kind of like a decoy. And anyway, I think it is about time to throw it away. But there you have it. And you know what? We love him anyway. And I know what it is. I know what it is. He gets mad because we leave him, because we put him in the cage house. And I know a lot of dogs are like this, but Dobermans are especially like this. They have separation anxiety. It's something, of course, they just have to deal with and grow out of. He's playing with something right now. That's what that noise is. And I hate it for him. I really, really do. But, you know, we can't have him just everywhere, of course. But, anyway, he wasn't too happy. Oh, look at there. You're in there? Amazing. It's too cold to really do anything outside, so Mark and I are in the Bronco, and Mike and Michelle are in their Jeep with Toby, their dog, and Diesel's right back there. You probably can't see him. Axel. Axel. We love Axel. We just keep saying Diesel. Pops out occasionally. We're driving to Kennedy Space Center just to kind of see what we can see inside the car. They're supposed to launch tonight about 11:30, 11:38. And we're supposed to be able to see it and hear it and feel it from where we're staying at the Great Outdoors RV Resort. So we'll see. We're about a mile away now from the entrance. Hi, baby. Hey, your best friend's in this vehicle. Toby, look. You see him?
Oh,
your best friend. Now we're following Mike and Michelle.
Because we're old and stupid and don't know what to do.
What?
We're old and stupid and don't know what to do.
Yeah, that's Mark saying now. He's been saying that a lot lately.
I'd say that's where they build the rockets and put them together right there.
Oh, that's where they build them?
Stack.
I don't know. We're kind of confused.
Down there.
I didn't know what the difference was between Cape Canaveral and Kennedy Space Center.
One's a Canaveral, one's a Space Center.
Co-pilot, what's the difference between Cape Canaveral and the Kennedy Space Center?
Cape Canaveral and the Kennedy Space Center are indeed close neighbors in Florida, but they serve different roles. Cape Canaveral is primarily a US Space Force station, focused on a range of launches, including military and commercial missions. In contrast, the Kennedy Space Center is a NASA facility dedicated to human spaceflight and is known for historic missions like the Apollo moon landings and the Space Shuttle program.
Falcon 9 right beside it. That's something else.
Hello?
Hey,
Yeah.
you see these rockets up here that are ready to blast off tonight?
No.
So I bet it is up this way here. There's 2 rockets. Well, I see a bunch of rockets, so maybe these aren't ready to.
That might be just the space.
That may be this, yeah. But Cape Canaveral is this way too, so.
Okay.
And then the Kennedy Space Center is up here on the left, I believe, if I remember right. It's been a long time since we were here.
Okay. Oh, it's a big area. Lunar Planet 1. If you can see me, it's 11:11 p.m. and we're in the we're in the parking lot
You just
of
disappeared,
a
Gail.
Walgreens. I know, I feel like I'm a ghost or something. There I am. Okay. And we're waiting on a rocket to take off from Cape Canaveral or Kennedy? Cape Canaveral. And it's a GPS gizmo that they're putting up in space. Yeah, I'm not real scientific at all. But it's right across the way. I think we figured out it was about 11 miles from where we're parked. Somewhere around 10 miles. And I will show you, and I don't know if it's going to show up very well. That didn't work at all.
No.
It's that little blob. It didn't work at all to show you what we're looking at because it's just too far. It got delayed, and it was 11:23, I think it was, and now it's been delayed about 20 minutes. So we're going to sit here and wait. There she blows. I didn't hear it. Huh. It is bright, isn't it? It looks like it's coming towards us. Why is it so quiet?
Now you hear it. It takes sound when it's traveling far.
Oh, wow. And I feel it in my chest.
Okay. That's it. Okay, that's over with.
Okay, I'm gonna have to say I was kind of let down. I was expecting more. Because a guy that we met said, oh, you'll be able to feel it. You'll be able to hear it in your motorhome. So it wasn't that exciting. But I don't know anything about this, so I know it's a feat. I know it's hard. I know it's extremely difficult. So that's great. Okay, well, guess we're going. Have y'all ever seen a dog that likes to ride backwards? This one does it all the time. It's kind of weird.
260C.
To the speedway?
Yeah, it'll go by the airport and the speedway.
Lots of motorhomes in the parking lot.
And it burns.
Hello.
Hey, we're gonna do the RV show?
No.
No,
No.
No.
we got an RV.
Wait, no, Mike, the answer to that is yes. As of tomorrow and Friday. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. I thought we might do this in here.
No.
There's Daytona International Speedway. See, I've never seen this.
I'm doing the video, so
But you can do a
photos
photo
are
from
good.
You can do a photo from the video.
Yes, I can. Yep.
Hey, it's a... Wow, what are y'all doing here? Y'all are the traveling Marlins.
We are!
We've seen you before.
Yeah!
There's Toby.
Hey, Toby!
And you're the roving Reddens.
That's right, the roving Red.
There's Axel, his first beach experience, Daytona Beach. I think he likes it.
Axel and I are sitting in the backyard, I guess you'd say, of this port site that we rented. So I will show you what I'm looking at. There's my funny-eared puppy dog. We're having trouble with his ears standing. Hey, Axel. Axel, can you see here? Can you look? Okay, he sees a golfer because we are on a golf course. It's very quiet, very peaceful. But, and it's for sale, by the way, it's cold. It's 40-something degrees. Actually, right now, the wind's not blowing, so I'm not really cold. I'm dressed properly. I've got on 2 shirts and a jacket, and I'm feeling okay right now. We are going to leave early, though. We're supposed to stay here till Monday, stay a week. But there's just not much to do in Titusville, or we're doing it wrong. I mean, I know there's the Kennedy Space Center, but with Axel, we can't take him to a doggy daycare or anything like that because he's not old enough. He's not neutered. Most places won't accept him. So we're kind of stuck a little bit. I mean, we can be gone for a couple of hours, and keep him in his crate that he hates. But we can't really spend all day somewhere. And the tickets to some of the places there at the Space Center are start at $90 and each. And I don't know, I think we'd be worried about him and would feel rushed to hurry and get back. So we're not going to do it. Maybe next time when he's older and doesn't have to be in a crate. As I was saying, we're leaving tomorrow and we're going to go to Ocala. We're going to a Prevost rally, a Prevost show, and we'll stay there a couple of days and then head home. And I hear the Bronco. Mark started it, so I better get going. We're going to IHOP. Join us next time in Ocala. We're going to attend the very first Prevost Plus Extravaganza. And what to my wondering eyes should appear but our 99 Prevost, forever held dear.
This is possibly the nicest 99 Prevost Marathon coach in existence.
All right, I'm going to say goodbye to our baby. Supposedly it sold yesterday. Then we're going to share what we think about our new coach, what worked, what didn't work, what we can live with and what we can't, and what we had to fix, and what we will fix or modify to better fit our needs. See you next time.